Welcome to the Lakemba Ramadan Night Market. In this video, we're going to take you on a walking tour of the market. So we're going to look at all the amazing food, all the stalls, and we're going to soak up all that amazing atmosphere. So let's get going. So my name's John, and I'm doing this
And I'm Jay.
Yep, there's Jay. And so we're bucket list travelers, and we do food and travel videos, and we're mixing things up today. So we're doing a little bit of a walking tour. Now, the first stop is Ramadan Camels. Okay, so with Ramadan Camels, this is where you can get your iconic camel burgers. So
this really is an iconic Lakemba Night Market food. You definitely have to have a burger while you're here.
Yeah, you can also get deer burgers. So we had a deer burger this year, and that was $16. Now this gentleman here, I believe, is selling tamarind juice. So it's, yeah.
We had that last year. It was really tasty.
Yeah, he looks pretty awesome.
I love his outfit.
Yeah, so we'll keep moving along. And I really love this centerpiece. It's all the really beautiful Middle Eastern lights. It looks great. So
what's the street we're walking down now, John?
Yeah, so this is called Haldon St. So it's in the middle of Lakemba. And so over the month of Ramadan, every Thursday to Sunday night, the street gets blocked off and all these market stores get put in place. So, yeah.
And is the setup a little bit different to what you remember from last year, John?
Yeah, so last year, we came and experienced the Ramadan night markets for the first time, and all the market stores were on the sides of the street, so there weren't any stores in the middle. So, so this year they put all the stalls in the middle, and they've mixed it up. So you've got some stalls facing out one side and other stalls facing the other. So I imagine that's for crowd control. So it'll be interesting to see how this goes. Oh, this looks good.
Ice cream.
Let's go.
Number one, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Good, very good. Pistachio. Yo. Number one.
Pistachio.
Ice cream. Number one.
Oh,
Good.
I think I'm going to have to try that later.
So I'm finding it really interesting seeing the vendors that we remember from last year. So I definitely remember that Bakdash ice cream guy. He's quite a character.
Oh, look at these Lebanese kebabs.
Oh,
That
those look so good.
Yum. Okay, and there's a pretty decent lineup for these. So we'll be back for that later.
Yeah, so it definitely pays to come here early, hey, John?
Yeah, so it's probably around a bit past 8 tonight. So sundown was probably, I don't know, 7:45. And so it'll start getting busy after sundown. Ramadan is the most sacred month of the year for Muslims. So it remembers the month the Quran was first revealed to the Prophet Muhammad. And so what happens during the month of Ramadan is that all members of the faith who observe Ramadan will fast from sunrise to sundown. So they don't eat any food nor drink any liquid. So
yeah, not even water.
yeah, so that's pretty tough. And so that goes for a whole month. And so Ramadan is observed, or the Islamic calendar is a moon-based calendar. So Ramadan will start the night of the crescent moon. And it changes every year, and it's typically 10 days earlier each year relative to the Gregorian calendar that everyone else uses. So, and the interesting thing is that it only gets announced the night of the crescent moon. So that crescent moon needs to be sighted for Ramadan to be declared. So I find that really interesting. So let's have a look at some of these things. Oh, this looks like shawarma. Yum. Oh, look at that different ticket.
Hi, how's
how
it
you
going?
Oh, so. Oh, what are these different flavors?
So this one called Malai Tikka, this one called Coriander Tikka, this one called Tandoori Tikka.
Wow. Oh, I love the vibrant colors. Cool. Thank you.
Came last year, I think.
Yes, we did.
He was filming last year.
Yeah. Very good biryani. Yeah. Okay, so we're up one end, so let's keep going around the other side. I can see some Murtabak over here. I really like Murtabak. Yeah. So these are like
5001.
savoury pancakes with meat on the inside. So delicious. Yum. Okay. So let's keep going back now. We'll go around the other side. So let's have a look at what's over here. All right. So it looks like we've got some Indian, Pakistani food, Veg Samosas. Oh.
Oh, this looks amazing.
Hello.
Hey. What are you cooking here?
Yeah, this is dosa, this is chicken 65, these are kebabs, and that's Kashmiri tea.
Oh, nice. Ooh. Yum, yum.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Once you get to sundown, you are allowed to start eating, and so the breaking of the fast each day is called Iftar. So, and what's traditionally done is to break your fast by eating dates. Now that was in recognition of what Muhammad would do when he broke his fast. But we have the Ramadan Night Market, so we can break our fast eating all this amazing food. So these markets start from 6:30 and they go all the way through till 2 a.m. in the evening. So it's a massive market. It's going to go from the 27th of February all the way to the 30th of March.
So I'm noticing a few different types of cuisines to what we've seen previously.
Yeah.
There's a lot more international flavours this year, I've seen.
Well, I think there's a lot more Asian flavours that I've noticed before.
Yeah,
So-
but now we've got like paella and paella.
Yeah, so more European flavours. So there's
So now we've got paella. How do you say it?
paella.
Paella.
Yeah. Oh, and there's some Knafeh. Do you want to? Yeah, so Knafeh is like an iconic dessert. Hi, how you going? Oh, that looks good. How much is your Knafeh?
$15.
15. Okay, cool. $10. Oh, awesome. We will be back, promise. Oh, have you? Oh, awesome. Cool. Well, we will be back.
We'll be back.
Okay. Thank you. See ya. Oh, we get a special. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, as I was saying, Knafeh is like an iconic dessert that you've got to try at the Ramadan Night Market. So it's cheese and just drenched in sugar syrup, and then there's
Nice and cheesy and sweet and warm.
yeah, it is really delicious, and you have pistachios drizzled on top as well. So that's great.
Hey guys, love your channel.
Oh, thank you. So we're just walking through the centerpiece now. So as I said before, I really love those lights and the crescent moons. It looks amazing. So at the end of Ramadan, so this year, the 30th of March, at the end of Ramadan is the start of another festival, and that's called Eid al-Fitr. Now,
So that means the festival of the breaking of the fast?
yes, that's right. So, and then that starts another festival where you can eat a lot. So, and during Ramadan, fasting is one part of the customs for Ramadan. So, you're also supposed to. It is also a month of getting into good habits, abstaining from bad habits, abstaining from eating, abstaining from sexual relations as well. So, oh, look at these desserts. Let's look at some Syrian sweets. More Knafeh. Hi, how are you going?
Hey.
Yeah, good, thanks. Oh,
That looks
yum.
so
Oh,
good.
baklava. I love baklava as well. So that's a nutty dessert with glucose syrup in the middle and very flaky. Let's see. It is interesting how they've just set up these tents. So all the entries to these tents are on the other side. So we've just got to keep moving forwards. Sure, it is crowd control. So we are here on the first night of the Ramadan night markets. So there are decent crowds. It's not as big as what we experienced last year, but I'm sure it's going to ramp up soon. So the really...
I heard like last year it was a lot quieter to begin with, whereas now it's really ramped up right from the beginning.
Yeah.
And last year they had record-breaking crowds, so 1.5 million people over the course of the night markets, which is pretty amazing.
Yeah. I would say that this is the biggest Sydney festival, Sydney food festival of the year. And so, like, what other festivals are you going to get over 1.5 million people? So that's just amazing. Oh, look at these lineups. Okay.
Wow.
Well, it's...
Definitely good to get here early because the crowds get quite big.
Wow, okay.
I have been eyeing off these satay skewers. They look so good.
Oh, so shall we try and get through and have a look close up? Yeah, so you can... Excuse me.
Sorry.
Thank you. Oh, look at those skewers.
Oh, wow.
Yum. Oh,
I really like their outfits as well.
How much are
Reminds me
those?
of Where's
They look
Wally?
good.
They're pretty cheap. 4 for $12, I think. So,
that's
pretty good
not
value.
too bad. Let's go. All right, let's have a look at some of these other stalls.
So there's a lot of different drinks and they're all very colourful.
Yeah, I really like the sugarcane juice. So we had a pomegranate sugarcane juice a bit earlier.
Oh, that was so
I want to have a
tasty.
look at this coffee. I want to try this coffee. So they heat it up in the sands, which I think is really fascinating. Look at that. Yeah. That's good. Okay, yeah, gonna have to try that a bit later. Okay, let's... Sorry. And yeah, so all in all, there are about 60 stalls this year. So there are a whole range of different cuisines, all halal, ranging from Middle Eastern specialties. We've got Pakistani and Indian food. You've also got to try these Shahi rolls. So let's have a look up close. So they make the wraps right in front of you. And then you can choose your meat filling. So let's go have a look at the meat filling. That looks yummy. Yeah, so as we were saying before, there's a lot of Asian dishes. There's even European food you can go for. I did also see crepes. Oh, yum. Look at that. So you've got different meats and different flavours. I just love that. I love all those
Oh, it
colours.
looks so vibrant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're going towards the train station now, are we?
Yeah, and so, if you want to get to the Ramadan night markets, the best way to get here is by public transport. So there are buses from Sydenham, and as you can see, there's a bus over there.
There's also free shuttle buses from Campsie and
Roselands.
And Roselands,
Yeah. So there's a few more stalls over here. Let's go check those out. So what have we got here? So we've got a melon fiesta, so another juice.
Oh, this looks quite festive.
Yeah, it looks very colourful. I like that.
Oh, I like the presentation.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Hi, how you going? And what have we got?
A lot of food trucks here.
Oh,
Hey!
do you? Oh, that... Okay, tacos. So we've even got American cuisine. Birria bun. We had some birria tacos the other week in Blacktown. They were awesome. And then skewies. What's skewies?
Yeah, so I'm seeing a lot of food on sticks, a lot of beautifully cooked meat.
And so there is the Ramadan Nights, Lakemba Ramadan Night Markets. So we hope you enjoyed this video. We've got another video coming out very shortly where we share with you our favourite foods from the Ramadan Night Markets. Make sure you check that out. We're Jay and John, Bucket List Travellers. We hope to see you in the next video.